Alright, so welcome back to another sound test, and we now have the CCA CX10. It's really interesting because this is a 5 driver per side system and it's in a very compact kind of case. So this is the first that I have seen for a 10 driver system in a real TWS. So they're both hybrid in configuration. So even if they're from the same family of KZ, they definitely have their differences. So which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's start the sound test now.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.